Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking world. So today we're finally going to do what I promised. We're going to do the bacon pancakes dish. So this recipe I got from the actual Adventure Time cooking book that I got off Amazon. So this is a great book if you like Adventure Time and you like the food. It has everything. It has the bacon pancakes, it has Jake's amazing sandwich. It has quite a few bits in here. So the recipe we're doing, like I said, is the bacon pancakes, which is on page 11. So the only thing we're not doing from this calls for like a walnut butter and a maple jelly. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to do it my way. So the ingredients are pretty much the same, apart from it says to use buttermilk, but I don't have buttermilk in, so I'm just going to use normal whole milk. But if you got buttermilk, by all means use buttermilk. So we're doing this bacon pancake recipe from this book. Like I said, this is a great book. We'll flick around the page. You've got Jake's most delicious sandwich. You've got the Adventure Time sandwich that everyone knows about. There's quite nice things in here. So if you like cooking, you like Adventure Time, I really recommend this book. It's got some gorgeous stuff in here. Find another one quickly. Where is it? The everything burrito is another recipe I'm probably going to try. So I don't know if I but if I can, I'll put the link on Amazon for this Adventure Time cooking book. It is super fun. Like I said, if you love Adventure Time, you love cooking, this is the one to get. So other than that, I have decided on my next couple of YouTube videos after this one. So if you follow me on Twitter, all the links will be in the description for that. After today's video of bacon pancakes, we are going to do steak frites with béarnaise sauce. Basically, it's steak and chips with béarnaise sauce. It's just a posher word, but we're not going to do like how I normally do the chunky chips. It's going to be like French fry style, so all uniform, all nice. Then after that, we're actually going to do French toast. But we're going to do peach Melba French toast. So we're going to get some brioche bread, we're going to get some peaches in, we're going to poach the peaches just to make them nice, we're going to make a raspberry coulis, and then we'll get a nice vanilla cream to go with it as well. So on today's video guys, we're doing bacon pancakes, so make sure you've got all your ingredients ready. All the ingredients list will be in the description. Get all your utensils. So I'm using 2 bowls, I've got my spoon for mixing, I've got a spoon to pour the batter into the hot pan, I've got some butter on the side ready to grease the pan. My oven's turned on because we do need to cook some bacon off, so I've got my oven set to about 175, nice and hot. I want to get this bacon very nice and crispy and hot. So that's it guys, so if you come with me, we shall get going. So guys, 2 bowls. I've got one of my dry mix in and one of my wet mix in. In my dry mix, I've got sugar, baking powder, bicarb of soda and plain flour. In my wet mix I have my milk, my eggs and my melted butter. So basically, and then in my oven I've got my bacon cooking. So what we're going to do is we are going to just combine it all dry together, make it well. Let's get our wet mix in. Like I said, all the ingredients will be in the description for the exact measurements. So with my recipe that I'm doing today, I've halved the recipe in the book just to make a smaller batch. I didn't really want to waste the main big batch, because the big one calls for 2 cups of flour, 4 eggs. So this is 1 cup of flour in here and 2 eggs with 1 cup of milk. So there's our mix. So what we're going to do now is actually transfer this into a jug. So when we come to pouring it into a pan, it's a lot easier to use a jug and just a little spoon to wipe away. So I'm going to pour this into the jug, this cup, then I'm going to cover it with cling film, this lid, let it sit, let it relax for a bit, just while we wait for our bacon to cook in our oven. Right guys, time pancakes. So the bacon's almost done. So I've just got some butter here. So we are going to nice. Put a nice layer of butter down. So what I've done is I've actually heated my pan up quite hot, turned it down, nice medium heat. So we're going to do one at a time. We're going to slowly pour in our mix. And now the waiting game. So we're going to wait now till we start seeing nice bubbles forming onto our pancakes. That means it is lovely and cooking. These should puff up when we flip them because of the baking powder and the baking soda that we've got in here. So a couple of minutes per side, and then what we'll do is transfer them onto a plate, which we're going to actually keep behind our pan just to keep them warm while we cook off the rest. So as you'll start to see, if I zoom in very slowly for you, that it sounds the bubble. Then you'll start to see around the edges nice little bubbles forming, and then it'll work the way in. We've got nice bubbles there. More as they start forming. That's like one of the signs that it's cooking. So we'll zoom out again. See, as I zoom out, you can see loads more bubbles. And then what you want to do is just every now and then just want to put it like that. That's easier. So I'm going to check. It looks nice and golden on the bottom. You can smell it as well. So, like I said, we've got a plate that's literally just going to go behind us just to keep our pancakes warm. So when people see pancakes, they always see perfectly round pancakes. Yes, you can do perfectly round pancakes, but there's nothing wrong with a pancake that's not perfectly round. So there's enough. We're going to now flip our pancake. So what we're going to do is turn down our heat, a bit more butter just on the side. Let that cook for a couple more minutes. Turn our fan on, and then we are going to lift the pan up away from the heat. Make sure they don't stick. Give it another turn, check the other side. Lovely. See, pancakes, they're simple, easy to make. So what we're going to do is one more flip onto our pan, plate, and then that's it. So now what we're going to do is just, with the magic of time and editing, I'll be making more pancakes, and by the time we come back, bacon will be ready, pancakes will be ready. Right guys, as this is our final pancake, we're going to make this our topper. So I've got our lovely crispy bacon here. So we are literally just going to put that in there. We're going to flip it. It's going to be all good. That's going to be our top pancake. So I'm going to finish this off, and then we'll get to our plating our bacon pancakes, and then we can get some nice shots of the maple syrup pour, which is going to be awesome. So see you very soon, guys. Right guys, pancakes are done, so we're going to plate. So I've got my first pancake on. We're going to get some of our bacon strips, and then what we're going to do is we're going to offset them just so you can actually see the bacon. So lovely bacon, more bacon, and then finally one that has the bacon in. And as always guys, you always serve bacon pancakes with maple syrup. So there you go guys. This maple syrup is straight from Canada. This is very nice stuff. There you go guys. Bacon pancakes with maple syrup. Delicious. So guys, that's how I make a delicious bacon pancakes with maple syrup. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video guys. So like I said, our next video is going to be steak chips and béarnaise sauce. That'll be probably done next week. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video guys. I'll put all the links in the description for my new blogging website, my Twitter, my Instagram. I'll put the link for the Adventure Time cookbook in the description. I got it from Amazon. So it's a great book, awesome recipes. You don't have to use maple syrup, you don't have to use bacon, you can use your own pancake recipe. I thought let's try this one out. I use smoked bacon. You can use any other kind of bacon. You can even chop the bacon up, sprinkle it onto the pancakes like I did at the end, or just leave it whole like I did. So thank you very much guys for being here. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much people.